Hello guys, today I will be reviewing this 1/400 scale Herpa Lufthansa Airbus A380-800 in which I bought it from eBay for $39.95 plus $7 in shipping, which totals it to $46.95. This is the model I've been wanting to get for a long time, as I'm trying to find an A380 model in no particular airline with the lowest price I could possibly find elsewhere. Like every commercial airline I collect, I always want to try to collect something different, such as an A380 from, per se, British Airways or even Air France, since I don't have a model from either of those airlines. But I found this Lufthansa A380 at a lower price, including shipping costs, and that I have never owned a Herpa 1/400 scale model of any kind before, up until now. As for any British Airways model, by request from a YouTube viewer from my unboxing video of my Lufthansa A320 model with sharklets, I will be doing a British Airways unboxing video in the near future. Preferably a heavy model, such as a 747, 777, maybe even the A380, or I'm probably going to say I want to go in with the Concorde because I never have a Concorde model. Probably not sure if I'll collect an Air France model for the time being, but British Airways, I'm trying to collect any British Airways model as soon as I can. So before I review this model, I'll show you the box cover. Sorry, the background is a bit dark, but here it is. As you can see, there's a art cover, side, top, and the side. The same thing as the other. Please note that this particular one is registered as Delta-Alpha India Mike Hotel, nicknamed as New York. Here's the back cover. Here's another picture of the front cargo door, which is about probably loading or some sort. And here's the original dimensions of the aircraft. And it's probably a 2013 release. Alright, now let's start the review. Here's the cockpit windows with the windshield wiper, Star Alliance logo, and the Lufthansa logo. This model's just one of the heaviest models. And the box here is just the largest box of any 1/400 model. The largest for any 1/400 scale model. Very detailed door markings. Here's a nickname New York. It's a bit dark. Let me see my trick. Alright. Maybe it's my sensor. There we go. I wonder what these are on the top. Strobe lights. Maybe. Let's see. It says do not walk outside this area. Let's see. Not sure if you can see too well, but there's the Nav Light. Chrome detail of the slats. Alright, that's the landing lights. Engine detail. Not sure you can see the engine blades. Okay, you probably can't. Okay, look right here. Yeah, there you go. Here's your wingtip fence. Let's look at the other side. And oh boy, we have missing an engine. I'm gonna go with the time lapse to see if try to find the third engine. Stand by. My apologies. This is the third engine that just came off while I was unboxing the model, but couldn't try to get it in without super gluing it. So that's at least we got the first part of the design flaw or something. But other than that, let's continue on with the review. There's your registration with German flag, and then you have the Lufthansa.com website. Here's your tail with the Lufthansa's Circle Crane logo, and then My Hotel. Here's your APU. And same as always from the left, except you have your cargo doors, your aft cargo doors. Your landing lights, same as always from the left. Sorry. Let me put this. And your cargo door on your in the front cargo door. Here you go. Your gear door. Here's the bottom, the undercarriage. Let's see. They do pivot. The main gears, they do pivot. Yeah. Or should I say the main gear bogies, they do pivot. And yeah, the outer bogies, in the outer bogies, the gears, they do roll. For the inner bogies, they sometimes roll, but they're kind of difficult to do. So, your lane gear lights and your nose gear. Let's see. I think they kind of I think they do roll as well. There you have it. As for the third engine, I'll try to glue it in, as well as the fan. Right here, it came off probably because I dropped it. I was trying to put it back in without super gluing it, but guess we'll have to super glue it. But so anyhow, it's very detailed. It's, I mean, compared to GeminiJets, I think it's really detailed. Very though it's not, bottom is not as detailed as I liked. Not the same level of detail on the undercarriage, but there's no wing box, so the undercarriage looks very clean. perfect. It's probably a good GeminiJets alternative, if not the perfect. But I totally will recommend Herpa for the 1.0 scale models too. So, but anyhow, that's the end of my review model. Sorry, not model, but that's the end of the review video. Please stay tuned for more unboxing videos of my model aircraft collecting journey, as well as any takeoff and landing videos of commercial aircraft. So thanks for watching and having safe flights to all.